Cartilage and meniscus do not self-regenerate, and hydrogels are very promising biomaterials to repair lesions in human tissues. Here at EPFL, we developed a new type of adhesive hydrogels that is made of more than 85% of water. This tough adhesive composite has the particularity to be very adhesive to soft biological surfaces such as cartilage or meniscus. Comparing to currently available adhesives like fibrin, we could around 10 times improve adhesion to articular cartilage. So when we implant the gel, it sticks there.
To make it sticky, we reinforce the hydrogel with a special fiber network that allows to dissipate mechanical energy. For example, when we are walking, we are applying a cyclic load on the material. The dissipated energy is damped and distributed in the whole material. In this way, we are able to prevent the hydrogel to discharge from the tissue. For the moment, we have a very adhesive hydrogel, so the next step would be to make it more bioactive.
The idea is to inject hydrogel precursor in liquid form containing either cells or biological drugs directly inside the lesion and solidify it.